number one. Number two, what my money or gift represents to God. When I give my tithes and offering, when I give and sow into the church, what does my money represent to God? How to break the curse of money failure. Some people, when they get their money, they just go like a bird. It's fly away. They're getting, but it's going as fast as it comes. How to break the curse of money failure. Tonight, beloved, I'm going to be a little slow because I want to teach God's people. Because what I'm teaching here tonight, you may never hear again. Matter of fact, I've asked the guy to tape it for me. If you want a copy, you can get a copy. Glory to God. How to eradicate poverty from the nation. Oh my God, this is big. How to eradicate poverty from the land. How to release an angel to work for you in your finance and your business. Hear this again.